The new Nano Banana Pro image model is absolutely sick. It has made huge advancements in terms of doing photorealistic people, accurate text, and complying with brand guidelines. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it to create images for your blog posts and how to build a super simple N8N workflow to automate this for all of your blog content. I'm going to show you exactly how to build this, but at a high level, here's what it does. It takes in new video content and turns it into written content to go with it, along with an image, a cover image for the blog post. So let's take it step by step. So the trigger for the workflow actually happens in Supabase, which is what we're using for the database. This could be any database you want, Notion, Google Sheets, or a CMS or anything like that. As soon as a new video gets added there, and that includes the voiceover script for the video, it gets sent to N8N via a webhook. From there, I just have a simple wait step for rate limiting, but ultimately it goes to Claude via API, where the input is the voiceover script for the video, along with some other context that was used to create the video. That all goes into the user message, and in the system prompt, there's detailed instructions on the writing style, tone, structure, copywriting techniques, etc. So now we're creating content with actual original substance and doing it in a style that is a lot more effective. And then the output is of course, the body text content, and also a title for the post and a meta description. Next up here is basically just to extract the pieces of the article so that we can use it later on. And then here's where we use Nano Banana Pro. I'm using Nano Banana Pro via a tool called fall.ai. What I like about it is it basically aggregates all of the generative media models, including video models, image models, and some voice models as well, enabling you to create all of your multimodal content in one place via a single API. And it just makes it super easy to swap between models, so you can always use the latest and greatest models. In this case, that is definitely Nano Banana Pro with regards to images. And so I'm using a dynamic prompt where we basically input the title of the post within the prompt. And this will change for every single video that goes through this automated workflow, right? So you can see the result here is pulling in the actual title of this particular article. Then we just have a really simple prompt, which is create a photorealistic close-up portrait of an excited female young professional with an expressive, amazed face gesture in a modern tech office. And this is where it gets cool. So using my brand and color scheme to be in line with my brand guidelines. And then you can specify some of the details like the number of images you want, the aspect ratio or dimensions, output format, in this case PNG, and then the resolution. And the 4K costs a little bit more, but is extremely impressive quality. And then we just take all of that output and put it back into our database, same place where we're storing the video content as well. From there, you can add like human in the loop steps to do your editing and approval, and then set it to automatically publishing on your site. And I've actually started using Supabase as a CMS for my site as well. But yeah, I'm extremely impressed with the new Nano Banana Pro. These images are coming out absolutely sick. Really like how they're turning out. You can obviously customize this workflow any way you like and change up the prompts to go for the style that you want to go for. And I love using N8N for this to just make this like an automated thing that just happens on an ongoing basis without me having to do anything at all. And I'm just getting draft content. So get in touch if you want me to create a workflow like this that will repurpose your content or create AIO optimized content and include really sick cover images for your post as well.